Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up recurring buys on Coinbase. This feature allows you to automate your cryptocurrency investments, helping you build your portfolio over time. We'll cover selecting your preferred digital asset, setting the purchase amount, and choosing how often these buys occur. It's a straightforward process designed to simplify your investment strategy. First, open your Coinbase app or visit the website and find the buy/sell option. Here, you can browse or search for the cryptocurrency you wish to invest in, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once selected, you'll specify the exact dollar amount you want to purchase with each recurring transaction. For example, you might choose to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. Next, you'll choose the frequency of your recurring buy. Options typically include daily, weekly, or monthly purchases, allowing you to dollar-cost average effectively. Then, select your preferred payment method, such as a linked bank account or a debit card. Always take a moment to review all the order details to ensure everything is correct before confirming your setup. Finally, Coinbase makes it simple to manage your recurring buys. You can access a dedicated section to view all your active automated purchases. From there, you have the flexibility to pause a buy, edit the amount or frequency, or even cancel it entirely if your investment strategy changes. This ensures you always have control over your crypto portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.